Guys, in this video you'll see 800 horsepower Maybach GLS from Brabus. Let's start. A lot of years I wanted to come here, but
yes,
it was so a lot
Alexander
of
from A1, and
yeah.
all the time
But it was so a lot of automotive car events, official launch, test driving.
Mercedes did the same thing, you know. With the were you at the EQS launch in Swiss?
No. It was difficult to go there. Yeah. Mark, I just love this exclusive taxi. This is amazing. Brabus taxi.
Yes, taxi.
So guys, hello from Brabus factory, and today we'll make a review on this incredible GLS Maybach by Brabus, 800 horsepower. And so let's start with technical information. Let's have a look under the hood. So here we have V8 4 liters biturbo and with Brabus power, 800 horsepower, 950 Newton meters of torque, and such GLS Maybach by Brabus is doing to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.5 seconds. What else? You can run on Autobahn. The maximum speed here is 300 kilometers per hour. And what else? About price. So such Maybach GLS by Brabus cost without taxes is 350,000 euro. With taxes here in Germany, for example, it will be 417,000 euro. All right, so let's continue with exterior review, and then we will go to interior, and a lot of things to see here, a lot of amazing details. So first of all, I want to say that with these Brabus parts, front part looks much more better if we are comparing with stock Maybach GLS. Too much of chrome parts was there, and it wasn't so beautiful. For example, stock GLS 63, I love it from front, from rear part, but GLS Maybach not so much. And here we can see that Brabus put so a lot of carbon parts. Yeah. Also, we don't see too a lot of chrome. Now it is, how to say, tint. Yeah. Tinted, yeah. So of course Brabus grille, Brabus logos everywhere. I love it in front right now. It's really beautiful. So 24-inch incredible monoblock wheels. Just look on this side, on this square of wheels. Very big, very beautiful. Of course, information about horsepower on sides you can find it. And when we are opening, you can see Brabus masterpiece logo here and also here, and this logo means that interior made by Brabus from 0 to 100%, and this is interesting information too. What else, guys? Let's go to rear part. A lot of to see here too, and look on this classic Brabus. All right, and in rear part the same situation. If we are talking about stock Maybach GLS, if you see on the exhaust pipes on stock Maybach, it's almost the same with normal GLS, yeah. And here absolutely another level of exhaust. Look on these pipes, it's like big black hose from airspace. Looks really nice. And some carbon here. Yeah, so now Maybach GLS in such Brabus look, it's really aggressive, stylish, and yeah, we just love it. Let's go to interior. So guys, let's continue with interior. everything in orange leather. And if you see on last Brabus projects, you understand that orange color in Brabus interior, it become like significant color, yeah, signature color, and I enjoy it. It looks very aggressive but very stylish, yeah. And with such color of interior, you know, your daily life will be more positive than if you are comparing it with black leather. And what else? Everywhere is beautiful carbon tinted parts, and yeah, in leather almost every part here. Let's go inside, and more carbon here and tinted parts. Yeah, they made a lot of great job here. So let's continue from rear part of interior. Yeah, so let's check what is here. And I am absolutely in love with this huge carbon part. It's absolutely amazing and giving a lot of cool luxury feelings. One more Brabus masterpiece logo here. I really enjoy it. And also there is no old Samsung
Tab 4 from 2015.
Yes. This is a real minus of Maybach GLS if you're talking about stock. And also let's check what is here too. So yeah, again, a lot of leather everywhere. Just look at it. I love it. Amazing job, Brabus. Amazing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our review with Maybach GLS by Brabus. And please smash subscribe button and put bell to all notifications, because our German tour just started and will be much more Brabus cars on the channel and another very interesting cars. See you in next videos, and hello from Germany, from Brabus.